All right, we've got the Deer solar lantern. So it's got a nice design on it. I'm going to turn the lights off in just a second so you can see it, but this is going to be really good for, it's going to set a nice vibe, nice ambiance for potentially your front porch. Maybe you got a deck out back behind your house. That's going to be a nice vibe there. Maybe you got a garden. Sets a nice vibe. You can either hang it from something, potentially a tree, or you can also set it down like so. And so it's got the solar panel right there. And in order to turn it on, you can just turn it on all the time. But so to turn it on, you're going to take that out. It comes out pretty easily, and you're going to switch it to on. Now, if you see, I turned it on and it didn't light up. That's because it's not dark out yet. So if I put my hand over it, you can see the light comes on. So it automatically comes on when it's dark out. And this is just going to set a nice vibe for whatever area this is in. So I'm going to show you this with the lights out now. All right, so this is a sweet vibe. It's sitting on the floor in my room right now, and it's just like it sets a vibe, and it's a dim light, and I mean as you can see, the design, the way it like emanates onto the surrounding area. It's just like it's just it's a vibe. It sets a vibe. That's all I can say. And I'm gonna be honest. I think you do. The video does do a pretty good job, but it's like it's definitely better just being here with it. So it's a vibe, and I definitely recommend it.